I had this ice shaver for 5 years now, and I can guarantee you, this is made for heavy use. We use this for parties and during summer to make snow cones and halo, and it just keeps working. All parts are still original, feels really heavy duty, and no problem with any rust, unlike some cute looking ice shaver that feels like a toy that I owned before this one. The item is a little heavy, but it is compact enough to place in a small countertop. And according to the spec, this thing can actually produce 40 pounds of ice per hour. So basically, you can have a long line of kids in a party, and as long as you never run out of ice, you'll be able to continue to produce shaved ice for all of them. To use this is very simple, and I like that you can use the regular ice that you can get from your freezer and also the ice that you can buy from your local store. So I have this ice as an example. So this is just cube ice from my freezer. You just want to throw it in here. Then you just want to turn the switch on, and once you have it on, you just have to close this and it will start working. And as you produce the ice, you want to start turning this over so that you don't have just a clump of ice in one corner. So this is how I do it. So this is how much ice you can produce on each batch. And to get a feel on how much ice you have, let me go try to fill up this big gulp. So each batch of ice is basically one full big gulp. So if you're looking for a commercial grade ice shaver on a budget, this is the only ice shaver that I can recommend.